On your first day of business, you'll need to create your opening balance. This means you will purchase the currencies that you'll have available, and you'll log the cost of each by navigating to your admin menu under the Adjustment section. In this example, I'd like to add the currencies to my O1 account till, so I'll filter out the cash accounts by clicking this checkbox, is cash, as well as type 01 to filter the account and click go. What we see here is the account name, the current balance, which is 0 at the moment since we haven't added anything yet, the currency name, manual count is the amount of the individual currency we'll be buying, and rate and inverse rate is where you can manually specify the rate at which you're purchasing each currency. You can fill in whichever is easiest for you, the inverse or direct rate, and the other will update automatically. The discrepancy row will show the amount of the currency you will be buying, and that amount will get transferred to the system balance account once you hit save. The adjustment LC will show the base currency of how much it will cost at the rate you're specifying. Basically, this should correspond with what you actually paid for it in your local base currency, which we currently have set to Canadian dollars. Now, we'll choose the adjustment account. Every time you purchase or sell currencies, the adjustment account you set here will offset these. We previously created an opening balance account in our opening account video, so we'll choose that one. The adjustment date is usually the day before you start the business. So if today is the 12th, you'll want to adjust on the 11th and set it here. The total showing here is the total it's costing to buy the amounts of currencies we've specified today. Once we hit save, an invoice will be created under Self, which means it's an internal transaction invoice. Notice the color coding of each of the sections. Blue always refers to the money you receive, and yellow indicates money that is spent. The LC indicates the amount is in your base local currency. Now, assuming I'm a teller, let's check our till by logging into our branch by double-clicking on the branch we want to select, and then navigate to Teller. Here, we can view our till, as well as see an overview of our cash register summary of currency balances. Here, we can see the opening amounts, which are the balances at the beginning of the day, and the balance, which will be recalculated every time we conduct a transaction. So the ending balances may differ at the end of the day.